Keep going.
Too hot.
Okay, good. There you go.
Yes.
You're an orange ball.
Yes.
And I got one black stick.
I'll go with the handball.
Yeah, sure.
Yay.
Uh-oh.
Can I serve?
No.
You know some people when they play handball.
Okay, you're breaking this.
Đó, coi chừng đừng có đá, coi chừng trường nó văng vô khiến con không có đá. Cười ghê.
Try doing it.
Thì cái nó không chơi cái
Not, don't do that. Like this. No, not like this. Like here. Look. Put the point like there. Okay. Yeah, go. It's not push kick. It's this. You know, like how would you do this? See, watch this. No. See?
That's my kick.
No, that's better. You know, you're supposed to hit it over here. Anytime he has a lion.
Her breaking technique is so easy. She can't even do a pushing kick.
She's in like she's
Yeah, it's so easy.
when she's in yell about she does side kick.
Yeah, it's so easy. And then axe Now, Jennifer, hold it. Jennifer, now hold it.
Okay, so ready? Front kick, go. Okay, first of all, Andrew, let's know what you did again. You did this. It's not supposed to point up. It's supposed to go like there. You know, like let's say I'm going to kick you. Okay, it goes over. If it goes like that, how will you kick the board?
Ah!
Because it won't be able to make you go higher. You know, like this.
Oh my goodness!
Không có được cái miệng vô quá. Không được, vô được này.
Well, let's
Turn the green stuff. It's not that hard. Not this, Andrew. It shouldn't hit like that.
So I had to hit with this.
Okay, take off your shoes. Just one of them. Not both of them. Just that one. This one.
Okay.
Okay, go. Okay, okay, not like this. Okay? Okay, it's like
Okay, so you hit here.
you know, it should hit like over.
It's like that.
It hits over here. It should hit like this.
Ooh!
It should hit over here.
Okay, now do it to me again.
Okay, so try again. Go.
Oh.
You did it again. Don't do it.